Hello guys, welcome to Avon and Lifestyle. I must tell you today it's raining pineapples everywhere. So with pineapples today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a natural cough suppressant for babies and adults. And we're going to be using the Avail Baby Nutri Pap. This pap is for babies 6 months and above, and also, of course, adults can take it. And this is all the pap that I've given my daughter since she started taking solids. So we're going to be using pineapples, the peels of pineapples, because this contains the natural active super ingredient called bromelain. And bromelain has so many awesome effects on our respiratory tract. That is why it helps to reduce cough, runny nose, and all that respiratory discomfort that your baby or adult may be having. So this comes in handy, especially when you've treated with antibiotics and you've used other medications prescribed at the hospital, and they've told you, just let this child be, or you can't take any more drugs, just sit it out and let the cough go on its own. So this is really going to help you out, and before you know it, you're feeling all better with no cough or any runny nose at all. So start off by washing your pineapples thoroughly. I did mine with some vinegar. This helps to really remove all the dirt that are built in the back of the pineapple. You can see the dirt right here. If you're using just salt, make sure you do this extremely well. You can even wash it with a sponge if you want. Then make a thick paste with the Avail pap. Make sure you make it and stir it well. Make sure it's free from lumps and all that. Just the normal process for making pap. Then, of course, you're going to be boiling the pineapple peels and adding some ginger and just incorporating everything into it to make the pap. So guys, just sit back, relax, and let me show you. Isaiah 1 verse 18. Come now, let us reason together, saith the Lord. Though your sins may be as scarlet, they shall be as white as snow. Though they be red like crimson, they shall be as wool.